Hey everyone, my name is Anthony Cofrancesco from brainyflights.com, and today I'm going to be talking about the EveryDay card from American Express. This is a really basic, simple card where you can earn membership reward points with no annual fee. Now, before I really jump into the video, I'm going to say that if you're applying for any of these cards, I would highly encourage you click the links in the description below. It'll send you over to our friends at Upgraded Points, and that allows us to keep making these videos into the future. So let's jump right in with the basics. This card has a really small sign-up bonus of 10,000 membership rewards points. Now, keep in mind, membership rewards points are transferable, which means that you can transfer them to a host of different airline and hotel providers. So it gives you a lot of flexibility and can create a lot of value in a very simple way of redeeming those points. Now, when we're actually talking about the annual fee of this card, there is none, right? So the great thing about this is you can sign up for this credit card and there's no reason to ever cancel it. You can keep it forever. And that 10,000 point sign up bonus, that's just gonna be yours to keep, right? So really straightforward, really simple, no annual fee. I love these cards. When we're talking about the actual points that you earn, you're gonna earn 1 point per dollar on everything, and then you're gonna earn 2 points per dollar spent at supermarkets, right? So if you're spending a lot of money at supermarkets, this is a no annual fee card. Pretty simple way to accumulate membership rewards points at 2 points per dollar spent. So I guess if you're someone that wants to go and shop a lot at supermarkets and you want to earn membership rewards points, this would be a good card for you. When we're talking about who's this card actually good for, I'd say it's really gonna be ideal for someone that just wants another card in their wallet, right? You don't have this one, you're probably exhausted all of your other options. This is a great one to add on. On top of that, if you're a beginner, you have limited credit and you're looking for a good starter card with no annual fee, you wanna start earning membership rewards points, this is a pretty solid option for that. If you're wondering, hey, did you skip the perks section? I didn't really skip it because there really aren't any perks. There's some really basic purchase protection from American Express here, but really by and large, the key selling points of this card is that it has no annual fee. You get the 10,000 point membership reward sign up bonus, but by and large, that's pretty much it. With that being said, I hope that you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you are applying for this or any of the cards we talk about this channel, click the link in the description below. Our friends at Upgraded Points have content that is much more detailed than any of the videos that we make. Go and check them out and then use the links there when you actually apply for the cards. It helps us to create helpful videos in the future. On top of that, if you want some cool merch, go to brainyflights.com. And then if you really want to learn a lot about travel hacking, go check out the complete guide to travel hacking. It's 4 hours long on udemy.com, and it gives you everything that I know and that I've learned over the years about travel hacking into one consolidated course. So with that being said, have an awesome day, and we'll see you in some of the future videos.